So now we have seen how to insert data into a database. Okay, then let's say now I want this data. Okay, I have loaded this data, right? I want this data to process further. Then how to retrieve this data? Very simple. Go to UiPath Studio and let me let me create a new sequence, extract data or retrieve data. Okay, so SQL extract data. Okay, and for this also, so I'm going to initialize, I'm going to use the same get credential and connect to database, and copy this and go here and paste it. Okay, and for disconnect also, okay, copy this and go here and paste it. And also we required variables, and go to variable panel and copy this and go to this and the variable panel, paste it. And I think this str name it's not required, value not required, processing description only required, db connection, username and password. Okay, and okay, now we have so okay, we are getting the get credentials from the orchestrator, and that's fine. And we are passing that credentials inside of the configure connection, that's fine. Now I want to get the data from the SQL database, right? So go to activity panel, type database. Okay, and here you see there are run command that this run command we use for update, insert, delete. Okay, delete statement. And for this run query, so I'm going to use this run query to retrieve the data. Okay, so drag and drop run query, and for this also the same database connection, existing database connection, I'm going to call db connection. That is done. And now so here in this edit query, and as you know this query, okay, right, if I added a select star from settings and constant, and it will it will give you the extracted data table. Okay, and also for example, let's say I need only the process name, I need the value which is which is related to only the process name, who is. Okay, for that we need to add a where condition here, select star from, and where select star from the table name, and let's say I'm going to add where and the process name, you have to mention that process name. If you are if you want to check the query, and you can go to the SQL statement query here, and for the where condition, and this is the SQL where condition. Here you see select column 1, column 2. If you need specific column, you can mention that column 1, column 2 from a table where condition, or else you can put a star if you require the all your table columns. Okay, so here now I will copy this example query, go back to your studio or here. Okay, so here this is for getting all the data, so this is for based on the conditions. So let me go here and copy this, and here select star from where, okay, where the process name, my column name, okay, process name, where the process name, what is the process name, who is. Okay, so who is. Okay, so if I execute this query, and you will get only the process name filter, okay, the filter value. And if you execute this query, and you will get select star from, you will get the entire value. Okay, this is the row filter based on the column. And now I'm going to try both the things. Okay, and go here in the studio, and here for this is for all. Okay, run query, extract all. Okay, for to extract all, what is the query, and I can use this select star, and go to studio, and go to edit query, and here add it within double quotes, select star from settings and constant. Okay, that's done. So here look at the property panel, there is output, and we see here the output. Here create a variable dt, and this is for all. Okay, all data, settings cons all. Okay, and I will use one more run query to get based on the condition, the column condition, the column and row value condition. So let's say where condition. Okay, for this also the existing connection, DB connection. Okay, and now what is the query? And this is the query, right? So I need select star from where condition, where process name how is. Okay, and here also you can make it dynamically. You can already, you are aware of how to call your variables inside this syntax, and you can call, you can add this process name inside, and any activity, as an activity you can call your variable. Okay, now I hard coded here the process name. Okay, and or else let me add that as well. Okay, go here, drag and drop an assign activity, and create a variable control K process name. Okay, and the process name is house. Okay, and within double quotes. Okay, this is the process name. Okay, and now I'm going to pass that process name here in this query, single quotes, double quotes, and plus plus, then call your variable process name. Okay, that's done. Now this is also control K dt, let's say process name. Okay, we have a two data table. Okay, so now I want to write those information into Excel. What is the activity for that? It's very simple. Write range workbook I can use, write range workbook. Okay, here I will mention some workbook name here, that is okay, let's say SQL database. Okay, select that, click OK, and this SQL database sheet name I can give for okay, for all I will give all, and the data table dt all. Okay, okay, let's I'm going to use one more right range to test it. We'll check the result, and here I'm going to use dt based on the process name. So I'm going to change the sheet name as a process name, or you can add a variable process name. Okay, so now let's run this, and so here I'm going to click on add this, and here also I'm going to click on add this. Okay, and so everything is done, and go here and step into and check whether everything is executed or not. Everything executing. Look at now. Let's check the data table here. DT settings and constant all. Check that. Here you see. Here you can see all the key and values. Okay, and all the entire table value you can see here, and the process name. You will see only the specific process name, the have who is, right. This one you can see, right, and if you step into that's it. Okay, now let's check the output. Go to project panel and refresh it, and you will get a Excel SQL database Excel. Okay, so here you can see in the all, you will see the entire table data. In the who is, you will see this one. So in the next time if I change the process name, it will retrieve only that particular value, okay, based on the where conditions. Okay, and yeah, that's how we can handle it to retrieve the data from the SQL database.